Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you today? Good afternoon. Have a nice day, good day, and beautiful day. Okay. So guys, this time Gate.io have gave me project name NAM Namada sport trading. Okay, and we are get more informations and get more uh, discuss that okay, we are discuss we are we're starting Gate launch pool name NAM name in launch pool. Okay, Gate will in Italy list Namada NAM uh, sport trading stack GT USDT and name in launch pool to Iran name Horley. Okay, everyone, welcome join my live channel. Crypto 77 Bangladesh, Engines 1979, and Zarka um, Ziharka. All the paste prologue and dampage and beginner 88 blue sheldon gritty 5. Welcome everyone, welcome to my live channel. So guys, this time we are discuss name launch pool to Aaron name Harley. Gateville list Namada name for sport trading at 10 on 19 June 2025 10 UTC time. To reward users, you can stack GT in Namada NAM launch pool to errands 142 8 14 28 5 72 NAM airdrop for free with reward distributed every hour. Okay guys, Namada's name support trading. This is a spot trading. Trading starts 19 June 2025, 10 time UTC. Okay, and deposit name. And next trade name to in USDT market Via sorry market Via. Okay. And NAM USDT price 0.0458 change percentage plus 0.0357 plus 35 3.47 plus and 24 horse high price low price and 24 horse high price 0.1020 and 24 horse low price 0.0101. 24 horse volume NAM 198.68 m. 24 horse turnover USDT 10.91 m. Okay, no time and Rom Cabos, welcome join my live channel. How are you today? And then look, 1 minute scandal, 1 minute scandal, market chart, chart price, 1 minute scandal was 0.0446. Okay. Name price ranked 77 0.04 54 plus 350.61% name price live chart market price 0.0444 and name price today name price NAM price today is 0.0439 with 24 hours trading volume of 8.91 M, and as such NAM has a market cap of 31.78 M, giving it a market dominance of 0.0030%. 13%. The NAM price moved plus 34.65% in the last 24 hours. Okay, and today positive and negative is equal conditions, and Amanda is the composable privacy layers of the multi-chains. It is a proof of stack layer one blockchains that protects user personal data by providing a shielded Azure hub and enabling shielded cross-chains transactions. Neither is capable of supporting any assist and can be used to data protections to exciting chains, dApps, tokens, and NFTs primarily boiled in Rust. Namida uses uh, uses Comet BFT, consensus, and the IBC inter-blockchains community communications protocol to multi-chains in interoperability, but can be upgrades to uphold additional ecosystems by one's IBC by leveraging advanced cryptographic standards like ZK, Synarx, and its potential for interoperability. Namida positions itself as team members. There are two team members. They can work in NAM Queens, Avasan Bune, and Drivens Bank. Okay, and name protections, ventures, and New York Atom named new today. New York Attorney General Letitia James has just um, announced competitions to crack down on sophisticated cryptocurrency fund networks operating through social media platform. In these competitions, authorities have frozen 3 billions in digital assets sized has additionals of 140,000. Okay. Okay, then 1 minute candle average market price 0.0419, and okay. NAM, the NAM NAM launch pool, phase 1 June 17 2025 13 UTC, June 90 June 2025 30 UTC. Total stacking reward to 30 thousands NAM. Okay, and phase 2, Phase 2 June 90 2025 to 9 July 2025 13 UTC. Total stacking reward 198 572 NAM. Stack error and stack to error. No unlocking rules. 100% unlocking rules. Get Launch Pool allows user to stack early. You can stack your assets before the project officially launches, ensuring you start earning reward immediately once your mining begins. And reward distribution, the systems will distribute tokens reward to user support accounts every hour based on the proportions of assets stacked by each users. And newcomer exclusive stacking pool, only new user who sign up from 15 June 2025 00 UTC are eligible. And get launch pool FAQ. uh, get, get launch pool FAQ. Question number one: what is get launch pool? Get Launch Pool. Answer: Get Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APRs. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Okay, and question number two: how can I participate in Get Launch Pool? First, mm, first log in to your Get account and navigate to the Get Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. Check the participation guide. And question number three: which coins can I stake in Get Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Get Launch Pool of view more details. And question number four: how many tokens will be rewards? Hardly stacking rewards: individual latest 1 hour valid stacking amount, total pool stacking amount, hourly reward pool. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour and take the average stacking amount as the valid stacking amount. Question number five: how are reward distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts yearly, and tokens reward are distributed to eligible users. Yearly earning will be distributed into user spot account. And question number six: when will the stacked assets be redeemed? After the user redeeming advanced or the stacking is completed, the stacked assets will be transferred to simple and by default. By default, in these options is unchecked. The stacked assets will be redeemed into spot assets if the amounts of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple errands. The assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. If simple errand does not support the claim of the redeem tokens, the assets will also be automatically transferred to spot assets. Okay, and question number seven: can I redeem my stacked assets at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stacking amount. However, early redemptions may result in the loss of accurate reward. Please mention stable stacking amounts to ensure mining reward. Uh, Iterations, each stacking pools imposes daily redemptions. Limit individual users can only withdraw up to three times a day per pool. Please plan your redemptions carefully to maximize your reward and avoid any potential impact on your earning. And can I add a additional stack assist? uh, you can increase your stacked assist at any time. The more tokens you stack, that greatly to your potentials mining rewards. However, once the reward cap in reached, you will not longer receive stacking reward. Question number 9. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool project going on at the same times, you can stack in different pools to receive new tokens mining reward for multiple projects. Each stack pools needs to be stacked separately. If you only stacked assessed in pool, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward of a new token. And question number 10. What is the maximum mining reward can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per users to for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further staying reward will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcements or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Okay. And question number 11. Well, stacking adjust in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No, no assessed stacked in the gate launch pool will be included in the assessed holding calculations for hodlers, airdrop, launch pool, and VIP privilege. Okay, and questions number 12. Question number 12. What will happen to my funds? If the project is ended early. In case of early ending, you stack principles will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the whole after the end time. The interest distributions before the end will not be affected. And okay, attracted. And about annual percentage rate APR. uh, about annual percentage rate APR, when number one, when the reward coin is the stacked coin APR, total reward released in the last hold total stack multiple 365 multiple 100%. And when the rewards coin is not the stacked coins, APR total reward released in the last hour of X closing price of the reward coins of the latest hour last. When the reward coins is not the stacked coins, APR total reward released in the last hour X closing price of the rewards coin of the last hour total stacked X closing price of the stacked coins of the last horse multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100%. Okay, and the APR is an estimate, and for reference only, the actual annualized returns you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is updated hourly. Okay. How to participate? Log into your Gate account and complete identity verification. Navigate Launchpool. Hold at least zero point zero 0.01 GT, zero point 0.1 USDT, zero point 0.5 name, click stack. Exclusive stacking limit privilege of VIP user. VIP 5 and above users enjoy exclusive stacking limits when participating in launch pool with up to 5,000 stacking limit bonus. Okay, launch pool stacking, Iran potentials, news tokens, 115.1 M and 28.24 B, participants 5.47 M plus 185.33 K estimated total reward. About Launchpool. About Launchpool, what is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where users can track their assets or provide identity to earn rewards in new project. Token users can log specified tokens on the Launchpool to receive corresponding project tokens reward. Join Launchpool now. And question number two, how can I participate in Launchpool? First, log into your Gate.io account and navigate the Launchpool page. Then choose the project you want to participate and stack your assets. Which coins can I stack in Launchpool? The tokens eligible for participations will announce the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Launchpool to view more details. How many tokens will be rewards and hourly stacking reward, individual latest or valid stacking amounts, total pool stacking amounts, and multiple reward pool system will be stacked. Snapshots of individual stacking amounts each hour and take the average as the valid stacking amount. How our reward distribution systems will stack snapshots of individual stacking amounts and in the distributed tokens rewards eligible user hourly earning will be distributed into user sport accounts. Okay, and when will the stack access to redemptions after the redeems in advance or the stacking is completed, the stacked assets will be transferred to simply run by default. If these options is launched unchecked, the stacked assets will be redeemed into sport assets. Okay, and can I redeem stacked assets at any time? The system will stack multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stacking amount. Can I edit additional stacking assets? You can increase your stacked assets at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining rewards. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? when when there are multiple projects launch pools going on at the same time, you can stake in different pools to receive new tokens mining reward for multiple projects. What is the maximum mining rewards I can receive? The holy rewards hard per cap user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stack rewards will be granted. Well stacked assets in the launch pool impact my VIP level? No, as stacked is gate launch pool will well be included in the assessed holding calculations of hodler airdrop launch pool and VIP privilege. Okay, and name project name NAM Namada. Namada is the composibles privacy layers of the multi chain. It is a proof of stack layers one blockchains that projects users personal data by providing a shared access hub and enables shielded cross chains transactions. Namada is capable of supporting any assist and uh, can be used to retrofit data protection. Uh, Okay, and total stacked rewards 600,000 and participants 5112 and individual stacking cap 2000 GT. Token stack GT and price pool hourly cap 1250 and mining reward mining periods 20 days and individual hourly reward cap 87.5 and total stack 151 1511 GT APR 2.47%. Okay, exclusive staking limit privilege for VIP user. Navigate to launch pool, hold at least 0.01 GT, 0.01, 0.1 USDT, 0.5 name, click stake, and the exclusive stacking limit privilege for VIP users, VIP 5 and above users enjoy exclusive stacking limits when participating in launch pool with to 500% stacking limit bonus. And level VIP level GT pool maximum stacking amount per user. VIP level, VIP 0, VIP 4 to 2000 GT, and VIP 5 3000 GT plus 50%. VIP 6 4000 GT plus 100%. VIP 7 5200 GT plus 160 percent. VIP 8 6800 GT plus 240 persons. VIP 9 9000 GT and plus 35 350 percent. VIP 10 VIP 16 12,000 GT plus 500%. And project informations provided by the Namada name team. Please follow the Namada websites for more details. Introductions. Namada is the composibles privacy layers of the multi-chains. It is a proof of stack layer stack layers. One blockchains the protect users for personal data by providing shielded access to hub and enabling shielded cross exchange transactions. Namada is capable of supporting any asset and can be used to retrofit data protections to exciting chains. DApp tokens and NFTs. Primarily built in Rust. Namada uses commit BFT consensus and the IBC inter blockchain communications. Protocols for multi-chains interoperability, but can be upgraded to support additional ecosystem by one IBC by leveraging advanced cryptographic standards like ZK, Synarx, and is potentials for interoperability. Namada positions itself as a uh, cryptographic primitive for users to protect their on-chain data when interoperating with a wide variety of other blockchains and protocols. Okay. Protocols, tokens name Namada, and token symbol NAM max supply 1 billion token types, mainnet native tokens, token ID, and token distributions and unlock rules block black sorry backers of the Anoma Foundation's 32.0365%, early core contributors 18.798 7%, and protocol maintenance R and D uh, ecosystem and community development 17.00%, public allocations completed RPGE program 16.1108%, and public allocations futures RPGE program 16.0540%, and website and white paper. Okay. Your your get get away to the gateway to the shielded multi chain, shielded multi chain. Okay, and next, a new era of shielded multi-chains interactions. Nemada is the shielded just hub, reviewing you to protect the multi-chain and start shielding. Okay, and composable privacy layers. Namada delivers a plug and play privacy layers for Web3, enabling users to protect their personal data when using their favorite as decentralized applications and blockchains. And Namaida's groundbreaking uh, approach offers users the ability to choose between transparent and shielded to balance and actions rewarded for transparencies and shielded balance and actions reward for strengthening the shielded by set by shielding assist, all with the state of the art data protections guarantees. Futures unified shielded set consolidate as a fragmented across different blockchains, so not a single sharded as a hub. The unified sharded set is capable of supporting any assist and enable sharded across cross chains interactions on hub multiples assets with full control over what you are share. Get rewarded for shielding. Shielding or assist Namaida rewards you for helping protect the multi-chains ecosystem by keeping our assist in the shielded set. You help strengthens Namaida data protections guarantees earning passive rewards in return for your valuable participations. Okay, and shielded actions for cross chains defy Namaida shielded actions enables you to engage in cross chains decentralized finance will shielding yours personally identifiable informations. Your data system stays safe even when interesting with transparent blockchains and applications. Okay, IBC interoperability. Now, the integrations with the IBC protocols ensures seamless connections across Cosmos blockchains and by one spot by additional ecosystem like Ethereum and Solana is coming soon. Shall adjust again. Again privacy for you are adjust gain privacy for your assets and get reward hits the shield buttons connect your external wallet, choose the asset and amount and his hit shield. Stack name, uh, stack name, and get reward while helping secure the mother proof of stack system. Govern and vote and help govern the mother protocol to prosperous futures and shielded expansions. Shielded expansions. Number one, shielded inventions name monument launch. And number two, shielded expansions. Number three, shielded integrations. Number four, shielded transformations. Namada roadmap and get involved, joins the community, get the interest latest updates and news by following Namada on X, and participates in the coordinations of the Namada network by joining the Namada Discord and form community members who are not active on Discord, Telegram, from use uh, visual identity kit and ecosystems, develop and operate on Namada, and run a full mode, become our validators, set up a local networks and developers. And Namada Mainnet is here. Home Namada Home Community X Developer Testnet and Learn Blog, uh, and more etc. No, press, Discard, validators, and YouTube, Anoma, Formas, DOCS, and Roadmap, Trusted, Setup, Telegram, Spaces, and Security, Visual Identity, and developers, GitHub. Okay. Okay, guys, and our next discussion, white paper. Okay, next, white paper website. White paper about Namada. Igalai, welcome, John Malai channel. How are you today? About Namada. Namada is a data protections blockchains using zero knowledge proof technology. Namada cryptographical futures gives user just agonistic multi-chain data protections, and is being built by the Anoma foundations. Okay. Hello, how are you? Okay, and the innovations, uh, key innovation, Zcash, like shielded transfers for any assessed fungibles and non-fungibles, reward for keeping assets in the shielded set. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Igalai, you send me one USDT. Thank you so much. Overview of futures, proof of stack with governments to secures and involve Nomada, fast finality FT with the 4-second blocks, and about this documentations. Okay, about these documentations, welcome to. About these documentations, welcome to the Namada. DOS is this book is intended for any audience looking to Okay, and username use Namada operate full mode of validators, developers of Namada reporting bugs, how to read this book, and about these documentations. Quick start. Getting started with Namada is as simple as install Namada, install the Namada barriers, and build uh, you can build from source, or download public barriers from the release page of the Namada. GitHub raw Docker image as also available. Install uh, network. Install commit BFT and join a network, and wait for your node to finish signing. Create an account and get some tokens from the faucet testnet only, and explore. Install Namaida. Installing Namaida number one from source, and from beginners, from Docker image. Source, install from source. Pre-request, install. Installing Namada. Once pre-requests, installing Namada, adding barriers to SPATH, and using the boundaries troubleless shooting, and pre-request rest, um, remaining dependencies, and troubleshooting installations from source not enough RAM, and completing for the first time. Link CC. Linker CC not fun. And if one runs into the error, WASM32 unknown, and opens SSL. Install from binaries. Pre-request request is downloading the barriers, and plugging the barriers into path. Running Namada with Docker. Pre-requests, downloading the Docker image, and shielding. Best practices for leaking sensitive data include, and security. Security and bug reporting. Bug bounties, and using public BRC, using the node flag, and protocol to the Namada protocol. Introduction to the Namada protocol. The Namada protocol is a proof of stack layers one blockchain protocol. Stack transactions governed by validated predicts and rules of the protocols are identified by protocols parameters. The following sections distribute key parameters and concepts and how to query them. And epoch epoch protocol parameters and governance parameters and public goods founding parameters, protocol parameters, POS, and cubic slashing, how slashes are proceed, and cabis slashing algorithms, and after getting the flash slash rate. Example: single validators with a single flash, single validators with two nearby slashes. User guide, tables of contents, user guide, and introductions of Namada address and keys. Namada address and keys can be one either transparent or shaded. The type is indicated by the first characters in the address or key string for transparent, and Z for shaded. Okay, and transparent account, impact account, establish account, shielded account, simple spending account, key, and viewing key, payment addresses. Files system valid common valid options, and create a uh, new key pair. List your addresses and recover and addresses from mnemonic, adding on exciting key or address to your wallet, removing a key address using the pre-generis flag. Namada keychain browser extensions. You can use the Namada keychains browser uh, extensions to image your Namada key and accounts within your browser. Namada networks. These sections contains informations about the current public Namada networks, mainnet and testnet, as well as instructions for creating a new decentralized network or local event. Starting network. Namada networks. The guide will explore setting a Namada network. It is broken into the following sections: decentralized network as a local network setup. Setting up decentralized Namada network. Two types: the network coordinators, the pre generous participations. Spinning up a local network, pre-requests and installing script dependencies, building wells, and running the script. Clearing up. Okay, Gate Labs investment disclosures. Gate Labs did not invest in Namada NAM. Notes. Notes number one. Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. And notice number two, please complete identity verifications before participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assets. Question notice number three, please adheres to the relevant rules of the events when participating. Any cheating behavior is the prohibited, and occurrences of any dishonesty will result in the disqualifications of the reward. Number four, notice number four, where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Number five, get reserves all rights to the final explanations. This event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participations in the event, game, or competition. See the user agreement of the further details or restricted location. The project risk warning. Number one. Risk warning number one, the project term does not guarantee that tokens price will not be lower that it is initial sale price. Please invite with quotation and don't invest by what's your financial capacity. Number two, the crypto project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operations and underlying technology of the project and other related regularity activities might contribute to significant risk. And number three, advanced technicals and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto as investment. The market volatility is high and the price of tokens might fluctuate drastically due to technicals lottery and marketing factors. Uh, User may not be able to withdraw all the purchases tokens due to technical issues of the technical issues i- i- issues of the project of Gate team. Gateway to crypto trade over 3600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate and take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewards. Invite friend and earn for 40% commissions. Stay comment. Visit Gate official websites. Download the Gate app. Disk tab. Follow us on X Twitter. Invite friend earn to 40% commission. And visit Gate official website, download the Gate app desktop, follow us X Twitter so, to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community, discuss trading topics, engage with our global community for the latest insight, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of risk services. Okay, guys, I have completed the project name Namaida. So, guys, Allah Hafiz and take care. Bye bye.